stars, how are you all? Welcome to the class of business studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic three-tier grievance machinery or redressal agencies under Consumer Protection Act. The three-tier system includes district forum at district level, state commission at state level, and national commission at national level. First of all, district forum. Section 9 of the Act, Consumer Protection Act, provides for establishment of a district forum by the state government of each district of the state by notification. Every member of district forum shall hold the office for 5 years and up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Only these complaints can be filed here in which the value of goods and services and the compensation claimed is less than 20 lakhs. Means if the claim is less than 20 lakhs, then we have to approach district forum for the compensation. Any person who is aggrieved by the order of district forum can appeal against such order to the state commission within 30 days and by depositing rupees 25,000 or 50% of penalty amount, whichever is less. Second is state commission. State commission is at the state level, and this act provides for the establishment of state consumer disputes redressal commission by the state government by notification. It consists of a person who is or who has been the judge of High Court appointed by the state government, who shall be its president, and not less than 2 and not more than such number of members as may be prescribed, one of whom shall be a woman. And every member will be holding the office for 5 years and up to age of 67, whichever is earlier. And value of goods or services and compensation claimed is more than 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore. Means if the compensation amount is more than 20 lakhs, less than 1 crore, then we can approach to the state commission. If it is less than 20 lakhs, then we have to approach to the district forum. Any person who is aggrieved by the order passed by state commission can appeal against such orders to national commission within 30 days and depositing fees 35,000 or 50% of penalty amount, whichever is less. Third comes national commission. National commission is at the national level and it consists of a person who is or who has been judge of Supreme Court to be appointed by the central government, who shall be its president. And not less than 4 and not more than such number of members as may be prescribed, and one of them shall be a woman. Members will hold the office for 5 years and up to the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. And complaints which are filed here in which the value of goods and services and compensation claimed should be more than 1 crore. Any person aggrieved by the orders passed by National Commission can appeal against such orders to Supreme Court within 30 days and by depositing 50% of penalty amount, but only those cases where the value goods exceeds 1 crore can file appeal in the Supreme Court. So this is all about district forum, state commission and national commission. District forum, they deal with cases in which the compensation is less than 20 lakhs. If it is more than 20 lakh, then they can approach to state commission, and if it is more than 1 crore, then we can approach to the national commission for our grievance handling. So this is about the three-tier judicial system for consumer protection. So this was all for today. In our next video, we will study about. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.